In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Salesforce files. Make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these steps closely as we go through the process together. First things first, let's navigate to what's known as the Setup page in Salesforce. To do this, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon there. Go ahead and click on that, and select Setup from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to the Setup page where all the magic happens. Once you're on the Setup page, your next move is to search for Export. Now, when you locate the search bar, usually at the top or left side of your screen, type in Export. This search will help you find what we're looking for, which is the Data Export option. When you see it, click on Data Export. This is your gateway to exporting files from Salesforce. Now you're faced with a choice. You can either initiate an export immediately by clicking on Export Now, or if you prefer, you can schedule the export for a later time. For our purposes right now, let's choose Export Now. Once you've done that, you'll need to decide what data you want to include in your export. By default, all data objects are selected, meaning everything will be included. But if you want to be more specific, you can customize your selection. For example, if you're only interested in exporting contract objects, you can specify just those. After you've made your choices, ensure you've enabled the option to include images, documents, and attachments with your export. You'll find this option in the form of a checkbox, so just look for it and make sure it's checked if you want those included. This step is crucial if you need these types of files in your export. While you're here, it's also a good idea to select your preferred encoding type or method. This is useful for compatibility with different systems or for meeting specific export requirements. Additionally, if you want to include Salesforce files or Salesforce CRM content document versions, make sure to check those options as well. Including such items means the process might take additional time, so be patient. Once everything looks good and you're satisfied with your selections, it's time to finalize the process. Simply click on the Start Export button. After this, your chosen elements, whether they be files, documents, or any other data, will be part of your exported dataset, and that's pretty much it. This is how you can easily export your Salesforce files. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.